Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get the Vivamax coupon code for the quickest and easiest method, then this video is for you. First, you have to go to the JRFU Mart where you can search for Vivamax subscription. So make sure that you have subscribed to Vivamax for 12 months subscription to get a coupon code. So otherwise, you can all actually get the coupon code. So this is the easiest method that if you have subscribed to Vivamax Japan for 12 months, then you can get a coupon code that you can use to get some discounts or get some offers on the Vivamax. Or otherwise, you can follow the Vivamax official Facebook page or the Instagram page or the Twitter profile, where they often post or release a promotional campaign where they have just revealed some coupon codes that actually work, and this is reported by most users that use that coupon code. So you have to be updated with the official website or the official Facebook, Instagram and Twitter pages. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.